जादू तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण. डर film song. You can remember this easily with DAR. D, A and R. The three stages of data analysis are in the descriptive stage, analytical stage and recoding stage, which is the final stage. Then we need to write the following while performing data analysis. Yeah, post hoc analysis and data dredging. In the descriptive stage of we use logistic regression model false, epi info true. Analytical stage we perform the following. Yeah, USM. Univariate, stratified and multivariate, correct? Among the 7 steps, yeah, this I have already discussed. Conduct advanced identify. First of all, we will identify the study type. Then we'll become familiar with the data, identify the variables, conduct advanced analysis is the last step. As we can see here clearly. D, B, C, F, E, G, A. Examine outcome expert association, characterize study population, create additional two-way tables. So D, B, which I told you, C, F, E, G, A. In case of descriptive studies, we compare this for two groups. No, for one only. Analytical study, acute nature, but it is rare. If it is rare, then it is a case control study with odds ratio. Analysis plan depends on objectives and study type. Yes, your spreadsheet should be ordered. Yes. Multivariate regressions, false. Epi info true. Objective and study plan. Yes, correct. The time of data cleaning. We never calculate the strength of association. This is false. We need to calculate the frequency distribution. Yes, correct. When examining a priori, we compare frequency of yes. If you are doing an analytical study, here it is acute nature and frequent. If it is frequent, without doubt, it is a cohort study and we will measure relative risk. Which of the following statements are correct? Recoding can be done for key variables. Yes, it can be done. Then after that, then which of the following correct sequence data analysis? Yes, recoding, frequency distribution, measures of multivariate analysis. Spreadsheets are false, except conduct logistic regression. No. Appropriate odds ratio, whether true prevalence ratio is one of these true, correct. Then after that, true or false hypothesis, yes, true. Correct sequence of steps. Identify exposure, outcome and other variables. Yes. Check data, yes. Examine baseline, yes. And examine association, yes. 1, 2, 4 and 3. That's about it. Then which of the following is not done in analytical stage? Never. Odds ratio, because it is done for descriptive studies, obviously. Relative risk, cohort study, risk ratio, descriptive, false, absolutely false. No, it is done in an analytical study. In a case control study to examine the associated mobile phone use, yeah, this I have told you the formula. AD upon BC, cases controls, it is 6 odds ratio. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, I'll tell you. And here also we have to apply the same formula, AD by BC, that is 21. Okay, bye.